Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. This is a topic in Python series 7 and we are going to deal with logical operators. Logical operators are three in number in Python: and, or, and not. Python has three Boolean operators or logical operators: and, or, and not. You can use them to check if certain conditions are met before deciding the execution path your programs will follow, right? So let us see all these operators in our Python window, how to use them in programming. So here is our Python window, okay, and we are going to do what? We are going to test. Suppose a condition. Let us go to the script mode. It will be better to understand. Now let us assign a number and check whether it is a 1-digit, a 2-digit, a 3-digit number or not. So let us do this. 10. I will write in small letter only. Okay. So A is having what? 10. Now you have to check whether it is 1 digit or not. When it is 1 digit, when it is 0 to 9, that means if the number is your A, if A is greater than 0 and A is less than 10, that is still 9, you are going to do what? You are going to print 1-digit number, right? Suppose if it is not so, you're going to just copy this and you will write elif. I have done decision making statements: if else, if elif. You can have a look on that also. So you're saying what? If the first condition is not true, go for this checking. Is A more than or equal to 10, that is from 10 onwards, and A less than equal to 99. So from 10 to 99, if it is going to print what? Colon, you have to give print 2-digit number. Elif when the number is 3-digit, that means A is more than equal to 100 and more, but this should be limited to less than equal to 999. In that case, colon, again I've forgotten, print 3-digit number. Okay, so this is how you have written the program. Now else, you can also give else print It is not a 1, 2 or 3 digit number. Any kind of message you can give up to your choice. That is, now this I have to execute. First of all, run module. It will tell me to save it. I'll say SK42. Oh, this side I have not given the codes, right? So it is a 2-digit number. Why 2-digit number? Because 10 was there. Now if I do 109, in that case, let me run this program. It should give 3-digit number, right? So it is a 3-digit number. Now let me do 6 and you run the program once more. 1-digit number. Now if I give a number that is 6098, that is a 4-digit number, so it will tell you it is not a 1, 2 or 3-digit number. So this way we can use what? Logical operators in Python. Let us write one more program. Let us wrap this. Now let us test what a person is a teenager or not. So assign a age 23. Now you will say what if age is greater than or equal to 12. Greater than 12. That is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 and 19, right? So if age greater than 12 and age less than equal to 19, okay? So you're going to print what? Teenager. Else you're going to print not a teenager. So simple programs where you have to use your logic. You must know how to build a condition and how to test a single condition or a double condition or more than 2 conditions also using this and, or, and not, that is logical operators in Python. Now let me run this. Not a teenager because 23. So let me put 14 and let me run the program. So this is teenager. I hope all of you have understood the use of logical operators in Python. Do like, share and subscribe to boost this channel so that I can make more such videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you so much.